Hi, good evening. This is the update of concrete footpath construction. So I poured number 11, so which is this one here, and there's a bit of cat walk in here, so that's why I did not remove it. It's just like a peculiar things happen, so just like a design. So, and tomorrow I'm going to pour this number, wait a minute, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, number 10. So this strip is number 10, so I'm going to pour this tomorrow, and then if I have enough time, so I have to pour 4 and 5 and 5 and 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. I'm going to pour this 5 and 6 as well, so I pour it monolithic, so meaning just continuous pouring of concrete, but I'm going to put a separator like this one. Right, I'm happy with the production I had today, although it's been raining. So the time now is 5:50 in the afternoon, so I'm about to stop, but just wanted to show you what I've done so far today. So maybe tomorrow I'm going to remove the shutter on the side wall or side fence wall. So that's already 3 days, so it's cured enough, enough to resist load. Alright, my friends, so thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and hope you like my short presentation of this concrete footpath construction. So basically only 3 more strips left before we complete the bottom part of footpath. After this I have to concentrate on the upper part, which is 1 2 3 4 4 8, about 10 strips, including the small ones on that retaining wall. Alright, that's about it, and see you tomorrow. Hopefully we have a nice weather again, like today. So although there's a lot of patchy clouds, but I was able to do what I need to be done today. Alright, it's getting dark, so I have to stop now, but I have to cover this concrete I've done today, so protect from possible rain tonight. Okay, thank you so much. Bye for now, and please be safe. God bless.